Hey guys, hello, hi, namaste. This is Surya from India. As you all know that these days we are all stuck at home and we at TruTravels have decided to entertain you guys in whatever way we can. So today I'll be cooking some Indian meal for you guys. As you all know, India is all about food and everything. There are a lot of spices and food when it comes to India. Right now, today I'll be teaching you how to cook potato cumin seed vegetable and potato pakoras. First of all, we'll be starting with the potato cumin seeds. So I'll just show you how it's done. For this, we'll need at least 4 to 5 potatoes. I'm cooking for 4 people here. So I have got 4 to 5 potatoes here. I've got some ginger, red chili, green chilies, and some ginger paste here. I've got tomatoes here, about 3 tomatoes, and I've got about 2 big onions. These are bay leaves here. I'll show you some spices here in India. This is red chili powder. This is salt here. This is the turmeric powder. This is the coriander powder. This is the cumin seed. This is black mustard seeds. And this is fenugreek. This thing is fenugreek. So this is basically typically all the spices we use here in India. There are many more spices as well, which I'll just show you around. This is a spice box. This is raw spice box here in India. So I'll just tell you what all is here. I don't know all the names, but I'll try to tell you what all is here. This is black pepper. This is cinnamon seeds. Oh, cardamom seeds. I'm so sorry. This is cardamom seeds. This is clove. This thing is cinnamon. I don't know what this is. And this thing is, I don't know what this is as well. So you can just Google this, take pictures or something and see what these things are. So we'll start cooking potato cumin curry first. A lot of people will be using some black pepper. About 4 pieces is enough. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's enough. So when you cook an Indian dish, you use a lot of spices, you need to use a lot of spices so that the taste enhances. So we let it cook for a while. This thing takes, so it starts popping up, it starts to pop out. This dish we are making, it takes about 10 to 12 minutes maximum to cook. Also these potatoes you are seeing here, these are half boiled potatoes. These are not raw potatoes. So you need to boil them half. And this paste, when you're making this paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies, make sure you take at least 10 to 12 pieces of garlic, about 2 green chilies and half a piece of ginger, and you mix them all together and make a paste out of it. Now I'll be putting in bay leaf. I'm using 2 of them. This bay leaf will also enhance the taste of this vegetable we are making here. We add the onions. These are how many onions? 3 onions. She's not speaking, she's just making gestures and telling me. And now you just stir it. And you wait until these onions they turn golden brown. Okay. So this is a bottle of essence. This essence is also called asafoetida. So you can see here, it's asafoetida here. So this thing we use in almost all the vegetables we make here in India. So we'll use half tablespoon here. This is half tablespoon. And then we'll stir it all together. Oops, sorry. Now we'll be using some ginger, green chili and Ginger, green chili, and what was there?
Garlic.
Garlic paste. Yeah, inside. Now we stir it together. Ideally, it does not want to stay in, it's always coming out. And now we'll be putting some spices in it. First, we'll start with some salt. This is 1 tablespoon here. More? A little bit more. We'll be putting half a tablespoon more. That's it. We need to make sure that this thing does not stick in the pan. So we need to stir it all together all the time. Make sure it does not stick on there. Now we'll be putting some turmeric powder inside. About half a tablespoon, because you know turmeric is very strong. So too much of turmeric will not be good. But right now it is said that because a lot of people are struggling with their immunity system, so turmeric is very good for to boost up your immunity. So nowadays people in India, they are eating a lot of turmeric. You know, they are adding turmeric to everything. The best thing you guys can do while you're back home is before you go to sleep or when you wake up, when you have a glass of milk, have a small teaspoon of turmeric powder in the milk, stir it and then drink it. It helps to boost your immunity, you know. So it is very good, as well as garlic. Garlic is very good for the immunity. So make sure you eat a lot of garlic. Now we'll be adding some coriander. Now we'll put some red chili powder. So India is all about spices. So we'll add 1 big tablespoon of spice, maybe 1 more. 1 big spoon of red chili powder. Little more? Sure? Okay, so 2 tablespoons. 2 big tablespoons of red chili powder here. But it does not stick, you know. So we'll add a little bit of water, not much, just a little. That's it. We add water. It's basically a dry vegetable. It is not a curry vegetable. It is eaten dry with rice, with chapati bread, with naan. So we don't need to add a lot of water to it. Also, I use this vegetable to make sandwiches. It is a very good dish which you can use to cook some sandwiches. You can take some bread, put some cheese and put this vegetable and put it in the toaster, you know. This thing is very good with sandwiches as well. It does not take much of time, takes about 10 to 12 minutes, maybe hardly 15 minutes to cook this dish. Now we'll wait until this thing cooks. We have also, after this thing finishes, we'll also be making some potato pakoras. Potato pakoras are kind of dumplings which has potato and some onion stuffings in it. So after this is done, I'll teach you how to do that as well. So this has to be done for like 4 to 5 minutes. So this will be cooked in 5 minutes. Then we'll add our potatoes to it. Potatoes are already half boiled, so we don't need to cook it for much time. So after it's done, we'll just add this into our. Now we'll add some potatoes to it. Now I can see this thing is almost done. So we'll add some potatoes. So these are about 4 to 5 potatoes which I boiled. This is not fully boiled, this is half boiled. So because I'm cooking for 4 people, like I said, so I boiled about 5 potatoes here. And now we'll just mix it all together. Now we'll let this cook for a while here at about 2 minutes. So it's almost done, guys. I'll just check. Yeah. It's done, guys. It's spicy. So guys, now you can see this dish is almost done. Now this is some chopped coriander. So we'll use this coriander just to garnish this dish. That's it. If you don't like coriander, don't add it. If you like cream, you can also use some cream to garnish this. So potato cumin curry is done. It's finito. So for vegetable pakoras, we need some oil. So we let this thing heat little. So for pakoras, this is the mixture which I've already prepared here. So this thing you see here, this yellow thing is chickpeas flour. So I added about 2 big cups of chickpeas flour to it because I'm cooking for 4 people. If you're just cooking for 1, 2, 3 people, you need to add it accordingly. So just because I'm cooking this for 4 people, this is about 4 cups of chickpeas flour, the yellow thing. The red thing is the red chili powder, white thing is salt, and this is a little cumin seed here. So we need to stir this together, everything together here. We need to mix it well.
Enough.
So now we need to mix it all together. Yeah, we need to make sure guys there are no lumps, so we need to mix it all together.
That's it.
Now you can see that this is coming up together. It's thick and I hope it's mixed nicely. Now we'll add some onions to it, which I've already chopped. These are 1.5 onions. We'll mix it together. And now we'll add the potatoes to it. These are also half-boiled potatoes. Oh no, these are not half-boiled potatoes, guys. This is raw potato here. Now it's done. Just take this. Just take a big tablespoon. Little bit. Okay, this was big. So this much. I've taken a tablespoon. And now I just put this in like this. Some more here. Little bit. And just put it like this. Okay, I'm using so guys, I'm using potatoes and tomatoes here. Potatoes and onion here. But if you guys want to use something else, say for example you don't like potatoes and onions, you can use cottage cheese. You can put cottage cheese instead of potatoes. You can use some capsicum instead of potatoes. If you want to add a non-vegetarian pakoras, you can add some chicken, you can add some meat, lamb, you can add some pork to it as well. You can also make fish pakoras. For that you need to boil your chicken or your lamb or your pork or your fish prior, and then you need to mix everything in this. So now we're just checking. So now this everything is frying up here together. It has to turn brown, yeah. This is yellow right now, so it has to turn golden brown. Sorry. Also, if you have any questions, if you want to learn if you have skipped something and you want to learn how we actually do it, you can just write me a message on Instagram or on Facebook, or you can always write to TruTravels. You can drop them a mail or something, and we'll help you with this. Also, I'm sure we'll be putting down the recipe and everything, ingredients and everything while you're watching this. So pakoras, this thing you're seeing here, this is not actually golden brown right now. So we'll wait for a while. Pakoras goes very well with the chutney, So chutney is very good with pakoras. So you can make some coriander chutney to go with pakoras. To make the coriander chutney, you need to have some coriander, some curd and some green chilies, and then you just stir it together in the mixer. And some salt as well, yeah. So you put some salt, some coriander, some yogurt and some green chilies and stir it together in a mixer for like a minute, and then you'll have the coriander chutney. This also tastes amazing with tomato sauce, chili sauce. Some people eat it with mustard sauce as well. Also mayonnaise. I personally like it with my chai. So I like to have it with my masala chai. Masala chai is tea, the Indian tea. So I like eating this with my masala chai. So it is a very good combination with masala chai. A lot of people eat this as their snacks while they're drinking also. So this is a very good snack when you're having a beer or having a glass of vodka or gin. You can have this as snacks along as well. So now you can see this thing has come golden brown, and I think it's done. So we just these are the pakoras. This is the first time, by the way, I'm making pakoras. I have made the potato cumin seeds before, but this is the first time I'm making pakoras. So these are the pakoras. You don't need to garnish this with anything. You just pick it up and have it. So this is the pakoras, and this is the potato coriander. Potato cumin seed vegetable. So I hope you guys enjoyed a cooking demonstration with me. So I had a blast. This is the first time doing this in front of the camera. So cheers to TruTravels, cheers to TruTravels, and cheers to all the lovely travelers, people watching me and supporting us all around the world. Stay positive, stay healthy, keep yourself and your family members healthy. Hope this ends soon and we get to meet again, and everybody gets back to traveling and gets back on board. Let's hope for the best, guys. Cheers. Namaste.